Hey guys, so my hair is this peachy pink, and I have always heard that using Head & Shoulders shampoo can be a great way to get out vivid hair dye color and help it fade much faster. So I know it's kind of soon for me to already be over this color, but I am, and I want something different. So I'm curious if just in the shower, if I can use this like 2 or 3 times and do some scrubbing and maybe really fade this peachy pink color. So we're gonna take some before pictures and I will be back, and hopefully this will have faded and maybe my blonde will be coming through, or maybe not. So this is the Head & Shoulders Coconut Daily Shampoo, so we shall see. Hey guys, all right, so I washed my hair 3 times in the shower with the Head & Shoulders with the coconuts. So I'll, put that info down below and such. So 3 times I left it in for, so the first time I like scrub, rinsed it out, and the second time I put it in and I left it in for like 5 minutes. And then I rinsed it out and then I did it one more time. I didn't use any conditioner. My hair feels a little dry, but I think it did before, so I think it feels pretty much the same. And that was just 3 washes, hot shampoo with hot water, Head & Shoulders shampoo. And it really does look like it diminished the color quite a bit. It's obviously not completely gone, but it's well on its way, I would say, for something that's, not harsh and just shampoo. It's pretty impressive. So I'll show you the before and after. I hope this is helpful, and if you have this shampoo, I would not use it if you're trying to keep your hair color, but I would definitely use it if you're trying to fade it faster. Thanks guys.